The world is changing faster than ever. Wars, political chaos, rising injustice, and spiritual confusion are shaking the foundations of modern civilization. But what if these events are not random? What if they were foretold centuries ago in powerful Islamic prophecies? Among the most intriguing and chilling is the prophecy of Ghazwa-e-Hind, the final battle for the Indian subcontinent, predicted by Prophet Muhammad himself. Believed to be one of the major signs leading up to the end times, this prophecy has fascinated and alarmed scholars, believers, and historians alike. Are we witnessing the build-up to this legendary war? Could we be living in the era that sets the stage for it? This article dives deep into the shocking details of the Ghazwa-e-Hind prophecies and asks the crucial question, are we nearing the end of time? What is Ghazwa-e-Hind? The term Ghazwa-e-Hind translates to the Battle of India or the Holy War in Hind, India. According to several authentic and semi-authentic hadiths, Prophet Muhammad foretold a powerful military campaign that would take place in the Indian subcontinent. It is not described as a mere conflict for land, but as a divinely blessed campaign led by righteous believers. In Sunan al-Nasai and Musnad Ahmad, a hadith states, "There will be a group of people who will wage jihad in India. Allah will open victory for them until they bring the kings of India in chains. Allah will forgive their sins, and they will return as victorious warriors." Another narration adds, "Two groups from my Ummah Allah has protected from the hellfire, a group that will conquer India and a group that will be with Isa ibn Maryam as." Musnad Ahmad, Hadith. Historical context of the prophecy. Throughout Islamic history, many commanders attempted campaigns into India, believing themselves to be part of this prophecy. From Muhammad bin Qasim in the 8th century to Mahmud of Ghazni and later the Mughal conquest, Muslim rulers have interpreted their military campaigns as fulfilling this hadith. However, most scholars agree that the true Ghazwa-e-Hind as foretold by Prophet Muhammad is yet to occur and will be tied directly to end-time events. Major signs that point toward its fulfillment. Many signs mentioned in Islamic eschatology appear to be unfolding today, giving rise to the belief that Ghazwa-e-Hind may soon come to pass. Let's explore a few key indications. Rise of Islamophobia in the Indian subcontinent. Over the last decade, there has been a dramatic rise in Islamophobia, mob lynchings, and state-sanctioned oppression against Muslims in parts of India. Masjids have been attacked, Muslim names erased from textbooks, and laws have been passed to marginalize Islamic practices. This echoes the kind of injustice that historically leads to divine intervention and major shifts. Geopolitical shifts and military tensions. India and Pakistan, two nuclear powers, have remained at the brink of war several times. Tensions in Kashmir, border skirmishes, and political hostility continue to grow. Any major spark, such as an attack or political crisis, could escalate into a full-scale conflict. Many Muslims believe this could evolve into the awaited Ghazwa. Global polarization of faith and ideology. As atheism spreads in the West and Hindutva nationalism rises in the East, Islam remains the fastest-growing religion. This spiritual polarization is often seen as a preparation for the final battles between truth and falsehood that precede the Day of Judgment. The rise of righteous armies. Prophecies mention that the army which takes part in Ghazwa-e-Hind will be blessed and protected by Allah. In modern times, certain disciplined and religious factions in various Muslim countries believe they may be the ones prepared to take part in this divine mission. Role of Ghazwa-e-Hind in the end times. Many scholars link Ghazwa-e-Hind with the broader series of end-time wars mentioned in Islamic eschatology. The sequence is often understood as Ghazwa-e-Hind, the battle for the Indian subcontinent. Conquest of Constantinople, a major victory before the rise of Dajjal. Appearance of Dajjal, Antichrist, the greatest trial for humankind. Descent of Isa, Jesus returns to defeat Dajjal. Final battle of Armageddon, Malhama Kubra, the ultimate war between good and evil. This chain of events highlights the possibility that Ghazwa-e-Hind may be among the final major wars before the grand arrival of Imam Mahdi and Isa, making it critical to Islamic end-time beliefs. The spiritual aspect of Ghazwa-e-Hind. This prophecy is not simply about military might or territorial control, it carries deep spiritual meaning. the hadiths emphasize that the participants of Ghazwa-e-Hind will be forgiven of their sins and protected from hellfire. This indicates a level of sincerity, purity, and divine approval beyond normal combat. It is also believed that the army of Ghazwa will uphold justice, fight oppression, and establish peace under Islamic law. These are not conquerors but restorers of divine order. Misinterpretations and dangers of extremism. It is important to understand that not all mentions of Ghazwa-e-Hind are to be taken as political calls to war. Some extremist groups misuse the prophecy to promote violence and terrorism, which goes against the core teachings of Islam. The real Ghazwa, according to most scholars, will be led by divinely guided and morally upright people, not by those who spread chaos. Prophecies are not an excuse for vigilantism, hatred, or division. They are signs to reflect on and prepare spiritually for the times ahead. What should Muslims do today? With increasing signs pointing toward the fulfillment of many Islamic prophecies, it is easy to become overwhelmed. But Islam teaches us to prepare through faith, not fear. Strengthen your iman, faith. Study the Quran and hadiths deeply. Understand your responsibilities as a Muslim, especially in times of fitna, trials. Avoid violence and extremism. Only divinely guided people will lead the true Ghazwa. Stay away from those who promote hate in the name of religion. Raise your du'as and repentance. Ask Allah for protection, guidance, and the strength to remain firm if trials increase in our time. Educate yourself and others. Be aware of the signs of the end times, but focus on being a source of light and wisdom in a world full of darkness. The prophecy of Ghazwa-e-Hind is both awe-inspiring and deeply mysterious. While no one can say for certain when it will occur, many signs suggest that the world is inching closer to monumental events foretold by the Prophet Muhammad. Whether we witness Ghazwa-e-Hind in our lifetime or not, the message is clear: prepare your heart, sharpen your faith, and remain steadfast on the path of truth. Because when the final signs begin to unfold, only those with sincerity and patience will endure.